Hey guys, so today we're going to do 3rd grade math, and our topic is going to be about fractions, fun things. So in this first video of fractions, we're going to talk about how we draw fractions, not draw fractions, but equal parts like 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/6, 1/8, etc. Just basic ideas about fractions. So let's get started with that. Alright, so the first step in fractions is knowing what 1/2 really means. So let's say we have a bar like this, and we split it in two, and then we shade, half of this bar. Let's color in the rest of this bar. Alright, here we go. Now that this bar is all colored in, we have two parts, and one part is shaded. So we would say that half of this bar is shaded. That means we would write, and if someone asks, how much of this bar is shaded, we would say 1/2, and we would write that as 1/2. Okay? Now let's go on to our next one. Let's say we have a similar bar this time. And we have this broken up into thirds, and we have only one of these boxes shaded in. Here we go, let's shade this in fast. There we go. And we have one of the boxes shaded in. And we're asked how much is shaded in. We would say 1/3. Now let's go on to and make a similar box, except we have 4 mini boxes inside. And we decide to shade one of these. And we're asked, wait, how much of this box is shaded? We would write 1/4. And we write this because there are 4 boxes in here, and only one of them was shaded, as with the previous ones. We had 3 boxes, 1 was shaded. We had 2 boxes, and only 1 was shaded. Now let's go on to our next one. Now this time, we have another box, except this time we're going to have 6 little boxes inside. And we decide to shade this one right here. Here we go. Well, we had 6 boxes and we shaded 1. So we would write it as 1/6, or 1/6. Now let's go on to our last little box that we're going to make. Here we go. We have a pretty big box. This time we're going to have 8 mini small boxes inside here. Alright. So this time we have 8 boxes, and only 1 was shaded in. So we'd write that as 1/8. So we can do the same thing for all of these. Let's go back to the first one we did. Let's say we had 1/2. Well, that's not a good example. Let's say we play around with the 1/3, and we shade in another box right here. Well, this isn't 1/3 anymore. We had 3 boxes, and we covered 2 of them. We shaded in 2 of them, so we write this as 2/3. Similarly, let's go on to the box with 4. We shade 2 of these. We could write this as 2/4. Or if we shaded 3 of them, we could have wrote this as 3/4. Sorry, 3/4. Let's go on to our 6. Let's say we shaded 3 more of these. We had 6 boxes, and now we've shaded 4. So we can write this as 4/6. Now let's go on to this one. Let's say we shade 2 more of these. Now we had a total of 8 boxes, and we shaded 3. So we can write this as 3/8. That's all this topic is. That's all we have to know for this topic. So let's do a few problems on the next slide. And if you guys want, you guys can try them by yourselves by pausing the video, or you can watch me go through them. Let's go on. Go here. We have a few problems that we can try. So this first problem is we have 3 boxes, and 2 of them are shaded in. So we would write this as 3 total boxes and 2 shaded in. So we would write it as 2 over 3. Now let's go on to this one. We have 4 boxes in total, and 3 of them are shaded in. So we would write this as 4 and then 3. So we would say it out as 3/4. Now let's go on to our next question. This is our last question. We have a total of 8 boxes, and 5 of them are shaded in. So we would write it as 5 over 8, or 5/8. And that's it. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.